because this just ain't working. Pasture side's perfect. Couldn't be more happier with it. But this side, I do think, well, this needs to be straight, and so the kick panel needs to. Hey guys, welcome back. I think today we're gonna work on the outer rocker on the driver's side a little bit more. I think we need to adjust the pillar so it's more to the back. I think the angle's too wide, so we're gonna probably ratchet strap it. Or no, I'll probably take it off, put it in the vise, and bend it a little bit. We'll try to reset our door. Probably move the outer rocker down just a little bit, maybe. Maybe not. We may see what bending the pillar does, and we're going to reinforce it with some more Tech screws and put the back plate on it, and hopefully we can get it sturdy enough that it will support the door and won't be such sag in it, because right now it's sagging pretty good. And we're also going to take the door shims out of the door and just kind of refit everything according to where the pillar sits. I don't know if you know, but Oklahoma is broke over 100 today. It's real humid outside, so already sweating. But I just spent a couple hours mowing property next door for my wife, so don't really want to be in the heat too much longer. So we'll just try to get this door to fit a little bit better today. I'm not looking for perfection, just looking to close to perfection, and then maybe next time we'll dial it all in and slap the fender on it and see if everything lines up. Regardless, I'm gonna try to fit the door a little better today. Let's get busy. And today I don't plan on turning the camera off any, so hopefully there'll be a lot more footage than last time. We put a fan on it, so bear with me, it's hot out here. But let's get to work. All right, we Kind of got it in there. Dirt daubers. Anyways, you can tell we got issues. This front gap's not bad, but it's not good. These things will leave me alone. See, it's just a little bit too tight. That's just a little bit too wide. And down here is really wide. And you can see this right here. Fender doesn't want to sit in there. It wants to be like that. Which, if it's set like that, then our gap up here would be pretty good. All the way down. About right in here. And the back gap is just a little too tight. So I'm thinking that, oh, and also it latches, but listen. Tells me that the outer rocker needs to move down. Because it's kind of, you can see where it's kind of scraping along this edge here. So I'm going to have to, what I think is happening is this edge here is raised a little bit. So I'm thinking I need to bend it a little bit and then bend this a little bit down, because there's nothing, there's barely something to attach to at the bottom. But I think if this moves down just a hair, then maybe we can move that pillar in over there. Let me take the door off and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, you see coming down here that the pillar is back in. I think if it was more forward, then we'd be in a lot better shape with the fender issue here. I almost think if I had to do that, I have to section this. Let's go look at the passenger side right quick. Alright, so you can see the passenger side fits pretty perfect. Someone's wondering what's wrong with the driver's side. May take this one off and put it on the driver's and see if that does anything. Maybe that this one's the correct dimension. I don't know. Let's get it off right quick. I think I figured it out. This whole kick panel, I believe it needs to rotate like this just a little bit, because this bottom measurement from here to here is 35.5. The rest of them are, I think, 35 3/8. Or wait, let me measure that one more time. Yeah, I said that wrong. It's 35 5/8 towards the top, and at the bottom it goes down to 35.5. So that tells me that I need to take these screws loose here and shift the whole kick panel like that a little bit, which that would bring probably that up to where it needs to be. Probably have to cut this and lay it back down, re-weld it. But that's what I think needs to happen. Because you do that, and that'll free up some room down here at the bottom, so you put your outer rocker in, Then this can swing this way, and the fender will be happy. It'll be happy. Then we just got to get the door in there, and I think I pushed these all the way up, but you saw the door needs to come out a little bit, and I think this side will be pretty good. But let me know your thoughts on that, because this just ain't working. Passenger side's perfect. Couldn't be more happier with it. But this side, I do think, well, this needs to be straight, and so the kick panel needs to shoot to the left just a little bit. But anyways, well, I'm extremely hot out here, and it's getting late. Girls need to go to bed soon. But I think I might have narrowed it down to what we need to do. So next time we'll take the pillar off and undo all the screws that hold the kick panel in, move it to where the measurement at the bottom is 35 5/8, and then we'll start screwing it back in. Don't know what that was, but it stung. Got sweat in my eyes now. Anyways, screw everything back in, and then hopefully we can set the door pillar, get the outer rocker going right, and then finally start adjusting the outer rocker to the door. But I do feel like we're getting closer. I don't have a million holes filled in this kick panel. I think once we get everything set, I'm going to Sharpie over the holes I don't need, and just sit down and weld up holes. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, please hang around. We're near this driver's side, I think pretty well together, and then I gotta find that door mechanism for the passenger side. I got a new door for it over there, and we'll start with getting the passenger side done, and then after that we may move the International to the barn, take the body off the frame and put it over there if somebody doesn't take it to do the sanding and painting and everything else on it. But getting close. Anyways, if you're this far, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.